Parts Inventory. This video will show you the workings of the Parts Inventory Report Builder. Open the Report Builder by clicking on the Reports menu. When you're in a particular module of KeepTrack, you'll only see reports for that module to keep it simple and easy to use. For example, you will not see the preventive maintenance reports when you are in the Parts Inventory section. First, select the type of report you want from the drop-down by clicking on that report. There are a number of reports you can choose from and filter. In Parts Inventory, we have All Parts. This report will start with all the parts you have in the KeepTrack database and that you can print or filter them all as you desire. All Parts sorted by category. This report also starts with all parts, but just groups them by the categories if you selected them. All Parts with vendors and cost. This report shows your parts again, just associated with the vendors and the cost for each of those vendors. Vendor listing and the parts they supply. This shows each vendor and what parts are available from that vendor. Parts to reorder. If you have put reorder points on individual parts, then this will show you those parts where the current quantity on hand is at or below the reorder point. Parts to reorder sorted by primary vendor. This report is the same as the last, but is grouped by primary vendor. Parts on order and back order. This report shows not only the parts that are on order, but back order as well. Parts on back order, same as the last report, just showing you parts that are only on back order. Parts ordered between dates. The title says it all. Parts used between dates. Again, the title is descriptive. Unused part list. This is parts that have not been used between dates. This way you could get a list of parts that you have not used in, say, the last 2 years. You will notice that after you select most reports, different options appear on the form. KeepTrack only shows the options that have any relevance to the output of the report. That way you are not playing with meaningless filters for that report. There are no reports in the Parts Inventory Report Builder that use the catalog, as everything is directly related to the categories. Dates. Some reports have a date range that you may be looking for. For example, you may want to find all parts that were used in the last 3 months. There are 2 columns of additional filters. The left column are drop-downs that you can select from items for particular fields for that report. The right column has fields where you can type in to search for tags or keywords or part numbers. Very useful if you just wanted a part that had the characters bearing or ABC 123 anywhere in that description. Keep in mind, if you just typed in the characters EAR, you would also get any parts that had the letters as in bearing, tear, gearing, etc. Output of report. Some reports have a detailed and a summary view. Some reports also have an export to Excel feature. Once you have selected your report and applied any of the optional filters, just click Preview Print at the top. If you would like to print this report, go to the Access toolbar and select Print. To close the report, click Close Print Preview.